and name it, try and okay, yo. It is giving me suggestions on the basis of a previous code that you have generally used. So hey guys, this is Rahul here. In today's video, we are going to discuss about tools that I use generally as a developer and has helped me a lot. They are generally the AI tools that are trending nowadays and are really helpful. And if you are a coder, if you are a developer or a software engineer working for an organization, if you are a professional, I am damn sure that these tools can be really helpful for you. And if you are a student also, then also these tools can help you and can also be a game changer for me. So without wasting our time, let's go. So on it guys, the tool number 1, it is GitHub Copilot. If you are a VS Code user, you must be aware of this extension. It is a VS Code extension actually. What this extension actually do is, suppose you are writing some code on a VS Code. So what this extension will do is, it will analyze what you are writing and then it will provide you suggestions and it will generate code snippets based on your previously written code. So if you are new, then this might be difficult for you to understand. So let me show you this with the help of an example. So on it is, we are on our computer screen now, and here is, I have opened a view component over here. You can open any kind of code on VS Code. If you have this extension, just you have to go on here, extensions, and search for GitHub Copilot like this, and here is this tool. Just simply go and install this tool, and here it will look like this. This icon will come in your VS Code when you have successfully installed your GitHub Copilot like this. And after that, I am going to show you an example. So this is a view component. Suppose this code is already written over here, and suppose I want to write some more. Let's just try and name it, try and okay, yo. It is giving me suggestions on the basis of a previous code that you have generally used a type string and default value as null. So it is providing me suggestions, a code snippet actually, and to accept it, if you want to accept the code, means you think that it is giving you right suggestions, just press tab button and these changes will reflect in your VS Code. So that's how easy and how amazingly it works. So that was just a very small example of how it is working. And as a developer, when I work on code of around thousands and thousands of lines, it helps me a lot. And it is an amazing tool. It is trained on GPT-4 plus on all the GitHub repositories out there. So it is really helpful tool. And if you are a developer, you can definitely check that out. So tool number 2, it is a Google Chrome extension and its name is Grammarly. This tool is really helpful for me. And if you are a person who always struggles with English, or if you are making your LinkedIn post or Twitter post, or if you are writing emails and you want them to be written perfectly without any grammatical errors, then this tool is for you. So let me show you with an example. And I have opened my Twitter over here. By the way, you can follow me on Twitter as well. I will provide the link in the description. Suppose here I am writing what is it. I am giving the errors so that it can provide some of the suggestions to me. Look, here it is working. I felt today, and look at this. This is how it works. Whatever you are writing, we will analyze it with the help of its training algorithms and then provide you the best possible suggestions you can provide. Suppose you are writing anything,
about yesterday. So boring.
let's see. Look, it will not. So the spelling of land is wrong. I learned about JS and it is not two-way, it's today. So look how accurately it works and how amazing it is. And it will, most of the time, it will fix all the errors, all the grammatical errors, all the syntax errors that are coming in your sentence. So if you are into writing and just want your writing to be perfectly good without any grammatical errors, you can definitely check this tool. So tool number 3, ChatGPT-4. So we all know how amazing this tool is, and I use ChatGPT-4 for my code generation, for understanding the code basis. I generally talk with ChatGPT nowadays a lot because for some of the components that I am not able to understand, there are many code snippets that I am not able to understand. There are many things that sometimes as a developer I might not even be able to do, because I majorly works on the thinking part, not on the implementation part, because ChatGPT helps me to handle those things. So it is like a companion for me as a developer. So if you are someone who can spend on GPT-4 subscription, then it is really an amazing tool. And I'm not giving you an example because you must be aware of how amazing ChatGPT is. So yes, you can try that out. So tool number 4, Adrenaline. So this is a really amazing tool, and if you are hearing this first time, believe me, it is really amazing. And before I had a subscription of ChatGPT, GPT-4, I used to use these two tools. The one is Adrenaline, and the other one is the next tool. I will tell you later. So what I told you in GPT-4, that I use it for code generation. Sometimes I am not able to understand what that code is saying. Sometimes I am not familiar of that coding in programming language, because you are a person, you can't know all the languages in the world, right? So you need to get help from somewhere. So before ChatGPT-4, I used to use this tool. Let me show you. Just go on Google and type Adrenaline AI. Just don't type Adrenaline, because it will show you the farming that will show you some biological term. Okay, just type Adrenaline AI and click on the first thing, and here get started. Let me show you. So you can add a GitHub repository, you can add a code snippet, or you can ask the questions to it. So that's how it works. So I'm not showing you how to copy and paste the code, and I am not going into that. Just I am telling you about what this code is, what this tool is doing. And I used to use it before GPT-4 because it is completely free. So you can try this tool out. So if you are a beginner, if you are new to any programming language, and you can use this tool, and suppose if you are a college student and you are new to DS, and you start solving problems on LeetCode, and there are a lot of times you get stuck in problems just because of a semicolon, or just because of a spelling mistake of capital or uppercase or lowercase. So you can just ask this tool, okay, what problem in this code is, or what this code is saying, and that will fix that problem. So that's how this tool works, and it's really amazing, and that is completely free. So just you can try that. So tool number 5, U.Walk. So what if I tell you can use GPT-4 without paying for it? So right. So I have a tool for you that works completely like ChatGPT, and it is built on GPT-4, and it provides amazing responses. So let me show you an example. Just go on Google and type U.N, and you can try it out. Suppose write the code to print first 5 prime numbers. Let's make it a bit hard. In Java. Okay, so I have given it a prompt to generate first 5 prime numbers and write the code in Java. Okay, so it has done that, and that is really fast. You can see here is an example in I count this prime false method.sqrt. So it is also providing an optimal solution, and you can talk with it like explain me step. Look, it is explaining you step by step, and you can click and stop generating, and here is the amazing. I am using it without just signing it, and if you are a signed-in user, you can, this button will be enabled for you. This is an upload button, like you can upload documents over with like ChatGPT-4, and it will work completely like ChatGPT, and it is completely free. And if you want to access its premium features, and you can go on Blends, and it is just for students it is just for $7 a month. That is even less than the half rate of GPT-4. And look what it is, ultimate AI chat searches using GPT-4. So it is using GPT-4, and you can use it and without even paying for GPT-4. That's how it works. So on that case, these were the 5 tools that I use as a developer and can be helpful for you as well. Please consider liking this video and follow me on socials, and I will be catching you in the next video in that point.